Can someone please explain to me how in the world my shed gets so dirty so fast? I'd really like to know. I mean, that doesn't help, but it's like I do one or two projects and then all this happens. You gotta try and keep it clean. And for the most part, it's organized. But then like one project, two projects going through, and all of a sudden I've got chaos everywhere. Turn my heaters on. Okay. And then at the end of it, like, there's stuff like this. Where am I supposed to put that? I don't have a clamp drawer. So I got toolboxes sitting up here. Some of them take some tools and some of them take another. But they're all power torque. This one's a complete set, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this one's a complete set, but this ratchet doesn't go in here. This ratchet goes in here. And this ratchet, who knows where that is. There's a 1/4 inch, but I don't know where my 3/8 is. Besides this one, which doesn't go in there. I just wish there was a way to organize things better. I wish I had like a cart. I need my garage, is what I need. Everything can stay in one place. There we go. Power torque. That one goes there. That one doesn't go there. Maybe I have another one here. Power torque. That's a different design, but maybe that one fits. Sure, that one fits. So we'll put this power torque in there. I don't know how they get out of place. That doesn't go in there. That doesn't go in there. Let's see here. We got power torque, power torque, power torque, gear wrench. Done. Okay. Come on, CarQuest. Get your stuff together. These should have magnets on the back. That's how this one is from Snap-on. This one's only a flathead though. I do have a lot of stuff in here, but it's not chaos like some places. There. 3 of my toolboxes, would you call those, are done. Spool wire, solder, heat shrink. All this electrical stuff shouldn't be over here. So normally I keep my jumper cables in my Milwaukee bag, but I'm using my Milwaukee bag for my actual job that I got. This is my ratchet strap and tow chain bag. Usually I keep this in my pickup, because usually that's what I'm using to take stuff to the trash or tow to the, just tow. You would think I'd have a better system for all this stuff, but I really don't. Another toolkit. That one's like my last minute grab. Need just the basics kit. It's got good stuff in it though. Power torque again, of course. One thing I don't like about this kit is the sockets are dual purpose. So like this is a 10 and an 11/32. You know, when I made these, I assumed I was going to be working on more cars that had blown fuses. But apparently not. So I just have these jars of fuses, and I barely work on any cars that have bad fuses. Not for not wanting to. I really want to work on cars with bad fuses, but I just don't ever get any. No electrical issues, not so much anymore. I used to, which is why I got those. But now it's, you blow a fuse and it's, you fix the circuit. You hardly ever blow 10 or 12 of the same fuse. The crappy thing is I'm going to put all this stuff away. And then tomorrow someone's going to say, hey, can you work on this? And then I'll have to move one of my cars so that I can use the driveway. Now I have a little place to walk. I've got a place to work for the most part. Got a few things left to put away, but I can actually do stuff in here now. That's going to be it for today, guys. January 1st, 2023. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Maybe I'll make another video.